So today I have a download for you, a link in the description, that's going to take you to a website where you're going to be able to download MetaTrader 4 to your Mac totally free. So click the link in the description. What it's going to do is bring you to a website that looks just like this. FX Choice is a Forex broker, not one that I endorse, not one that I've even used before, but they do offer this download for free. So if you click the link in the description, it's going to reroute you here. It's going to automatically start downloading the program for you when you come to this link. Once it's downloaded, you're literally going to drag it into your applications folder. It'll prompt you to do so. And once you do that, you can double click it, open it up, and you'll have MetaTrader 4 pop up on your screen, probably logging you into a demo account just like it did for me here. Once we see this, I started to get excited. I'm like, oh my God, we actually have MetaTrader 4 running on my Mac with no other Parallels program, no Wine software program running, nothing. Just direct download this DMG from the link that I put in the description, and you're going to have MetaTrader on your Mac or on your MacBook, wherever you're using this program.